to the foot pedal. Okay, green light. That's 90. Open up. Close again. 90. Okay.
Clamp again and bend one more time.
Close. Green light. 90.
Now open all the way up.
Yep.
With the right foot pedal.
Yeah.
If you stomp down all the way on the right foot.
Right. No, if I my left, open it all the way up.
Okay. Back gauge.
That's close. Step on the foot pedal all the way down. Opens all the way up. Partial, midway. That's closed. Make a 90. Yeah. Now the right foot pedal is a safety device. If I step on it all the way, I'm going to open up full ramp.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Oh, sorry.